we can use drone data to sustainably manage ecosystems by using its capability or ability to provide quick decision support and on-demand data collection. Because with drones, we can use it anytime, at any situation, to collect the data that we need. So for example, in forests, when we fly a drone, we can easily identify which areas are being degraded, are being deforested, and then we can map that already and measure the area that is being affected. Same goes with marine ecosystems. We can see how the corals are being bleached. We can see pollution on the ocean. We can also see sedimentation. Same goes for other types of ecosystems, either upland, terrestrial, agricultural, or even urban ecosystems. Now, what we need right now, especially in the era of climate change or the climate crisis, is we need data quickly and we need it processed quickly. So with drone mapping, we can do this with the aid, of course, of satellite images. Now, the decisions that we will be able to do with these two data sources will be more detailed, more informative, and will be more useful for communicating the science to the people.